Submitting documents to Kraken for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Create or log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, go to the account settings or verification section. Look for the option that allows you to start the verification process for your account. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Gather the necessary documents for verification. Typically, you will need a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and a proof of residence such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Ensure that the images or scans are clear and legible. Double-check that you have uploaded the correct documents as per the requirements. Step 5. Submit for review. After uploading, review your submissions and then click the Submit button. Wait for Kraken to process your documents, which may take some time. You will receive a notification once your account is approved. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to using your Kraken account. Make sure to check your email for any updates or additional requests from Kraken.